This video is for this beautiful comment above. She asked me for the exact measurement to make this beautiful toothpaste. So I'll be sharing that with her right now. So we're going to start by wearing out our coconut oil. So I'm just going to be using this container because I'll show you anyways. Right, so I'm just going to tear it. And just add, we're going to be adding 84 grams of coconut oil to this, all right? And I'm going to give you, watch here, 222. When my mom died, she gave me 222. Thank you, Mama. Every time I formulate, I get angel numbers, by the way. Adding 84 grams to this container, all right? So all I'm doing now is just taking the back of my spoon and mashing it. You can always go heat it up if you want, but I'm trying not to heat it up because I find that I work better when it's like this. It takes too long to cool down. So one of the main reasons I didn't want to heat it up as well, this is cold compressed organic virgin coconut oil. It's unrefined. I didn't want to change anything about it. So I'm just going to add my baking soda now. And I'm using 144 grams of baking soda, which is 48%. All right. So now that this is added, I am going to weigh out my xylitol, which I'm using 20% of xylitol in here. So it's going to be roughly around 60 grams. All right. So I'm just adding the xylitol now. So now I'm just gonna mix everything together, okay? I'm gonna mix everything together until it comes to a nice, smooth paste. You just keep on mixing, 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 until everything comes together. I'm gonna add, when I've mixed a little bit now, I'm gonna add my extracts and my peppermint oil, okay? All right, so I'm gonna be using 12 grams. And a few drops of our peppermint. Then we're gonna mix. I'm just gonna mix everything up to get our toothpaste all combined, okay? So this is the reason why I didn't want to use the melting method, is because I use the xylitol, which is a bit of grains, and the baking soda is also grains. So that's going to be my exfoliant for brushing my teeth. This is how the toothpaste looks. You get me? Just rub a bit more. Let me just tell you some of the personal benefits that I've got from using coconut oil toothpaste. A matter of fact, I added clove into my original formula. There's none in this one, but the benefits of using coconut oil toothpaste, it helps to clean your teeth and prevent bad breath. It also prevents plaque, gum disease, any discomfort of the tongue. Yeah, it helps to restore your enamel on your tooth. And it's very inexpensive. It is chemical free and it's good for the whole entire family. So I don't know why you wouldn't want to try making it. And I thank you guys for asking for the exact measurement. And I hope you full joy making this beautiful homemade organic toothpaste for healthier gums and healthier teeth. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, share, and follow. All right, I'm 2 away from 1,000 followers, and I want to say thank you very much, and I'll talk to you very soon. And there you have it. So this is your homemade toothpaste, and you can brush, exfoliate your teeth, and keep your gums healthy, your breath fresh, and all that good stuff, all right? And it never costs much. You buy your xylitol, you buy your baking soda, your coconut oil, and you get your peppermint oil and you make your stuff. All right? Highly blissfulness.